Fine.
All I smell is tomatoes.
Good.
You touched the camera.
Yeah, because
Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday and we are doing another blind taste test today. My sister has brought her arrangement of various foods that I'm going to try and guess while being completely blindfolded. So we are only using my sense of taste to see if I can guess any of these items.
that means you have to plug your nose.
Why?
Oh,
okay.
Taste.
Never mind.
Well, you do have to do it for one of them.
What? Okay. So one of them I guess I have to plug my nose for. That's gross. Anyways, let's get tasting. If you guys like this video, then please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification down below so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Oh, check out my Instagram, pretty cool stuff happening on there. Right now I'm doing the Instagram Decides polls, and you guys can go vote and decide what I make. So you guys can have some cool things to do and look at on my Instagram that is different than what you see on YouTube. So, here we go!
Are you gonna blur me this time? Oh my gosh, the tomato juice got on the towel.
Am I gonna blur you? Well, you look cute today, so do I need to blur you?
Do I? Pick a number, 1 through 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4.
I have to bite it. Bite through it.
This is a beet. Yes! A turnip. A carrot? What would you have? Was it in a can?
I'm not giving you any answers today.
Ah!
Not till the end.
Ah! Where is it? Let me touch it.
No!
Okay, give me another bite. I know I've had it before. It's a vegetable.
I think so. You're gonna bite it or not?
Oh, I thought you were giving me answers.
That's the... Okay.
Hmm.
The whole thing. Ew.
What? What is it?
Why do you have to hang it out of your mouth?
I'm trying to form an image of what it is because I couldn't touch it.
You're touching it.
I know, because
You
you
just
wanted me to
cheated.
talk. I didn't cheat. I still don't know what the heck it
now
is.
you can't put it back in your mouth.
Why?
No.
What?
You've touched it.
I want to try it.
That's cheating. Put it back.
Why does my head want to say asparagus? I know it's
What
not
asparagus
I know
is
it's
that
not asparagus.
Okay.
It's water chestnut. No, it's not it's not crunchy enough. Oh, how many items do we have? 5. I don't.
She's very good at math, as you can see.
I am actually.
And she has a fantastic short-term memory.
What is it?
I'm not telling you
Tell
till
me.
the end.
Okay, next one. I know I've had it before. I've had it before, huh?
I have absolutely no idea.
Have
what
you
you've
had it
had.
before?
No.
You haven't?
No.
But it was in Mom's kitchen.
Cabinet. Not in the
Cabinet.
kitchen.
It was in her cabinet. I was just looking through it the other day.
It was way in the back.
Oh.
All these were way in the back.
Okay, next.
1 through 5, but not 4.
1. Number 1.
Open it.
What the?
Bite it. Why you just gotta lick it? It's not.
Cheese?
What kind? And you didn't even solidify an answer on the first one.
Because I don't know. I don't know what it is. I know it's a vegetable.
You have to guess something.
Asparagus.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
It wasn't asparagus. That cheese. Cheddar. White cheddar.
Is that
It's
your
not.
final answer?
No, because I know it's not. It's not mozzarella. Is it Parmesan?
Does Parmesan even come in a hole?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes or no? Do you know? Do you want to make a guess? Yes or no?
I know it's cheese. I don't like cheese, so I don't know types of cheese. Is it Gouda? My favorite's Gouda. Is it?
I'm not telling you anything till the end.
Ah!
So is that your final answer?
I don't know what Gouda tastes like. I know I've had this before. Actually, have I had Gouda before? Wait, can I have one more bite?
Oh my gosh.
One more bite.
Stop. Freak.
Sure, I'll just say Gouda. I know it's not Swiss. I know it's not cheddar. I know it's not pepper jack. There's a lot of cheese.
Pick a number.
Can I clean my palate, please?
No.
Ah! I pick 5.
Close your nose.
No, I'm scared. Why?
Because I said so.
Because it's bad.
Totally.
I can't breathe.
You have a mouth.
Do I have to keep it plugged the whole time
Yes.
until I have my final answer?
Yes.
Oh, God.
You can't spit it out.
I don't like it.
Nope. Eat it.
It's spicy and it's... I don't want it. I don't want it.
Swallow.
It's so gross. Can I unplug my nose?
Sure. Nope. Stop. Pick a number.
Wait, no, I have to guess.
You just said you don't know.
Oh, but on all the other ones I had to guess.
What number next?
3.
Bigger.
What the heck?
Why do you always have to do that? You did it in the last one. You're doing it in this one.
I'm analyzing it.
This is disgusting.
It tastes like artichoke. Is it artichoke?
Is that your final answer?
That's the only answer I got.
Okay.
Artichoke.
Here's your
That
last
was
one.
gross. I like artichoke, but that was gross. If it was artichoke. If it wasn't, ugh. Okay, next. Oh, this is water chestnut. Yeah, these are water chestnuts. Right? Right? Okay.
Why did you get so close to me?
I don't know where you are. The first one, oh,
Wow. Hey.
number 1 was the cheese.
No. Well, yeah, if you're going that way.
Okay. The cheese, I guess Gouda or Monterey Jack. Number 2, water chestnut.
3,
Number 3, artichoke.
4.
Number 4, I forgot.
It's the first one.
Oh, my asparagus. But I know it's not asparagus, but I don't know what it is.
What's the last one?
I forgot.
I don't know what you said.
I don't know what I said either. What was it? Can I try it again?
You have to plug your nose.
Oh!
Ow.
There we go.
Why do you hit me?
Chilies. Jalapenos? Probably. Okay. Can I take it off now?
Yes.
Oh my god! What kind of cheese was it?
Gouda.
It was Gouda? Beets? That's what I first said.
I said I wasn't giving you any answers.
That's what I said at first. And then you got me. I wasn't sure after that. Yeah, I got these ones.
No, you didn't. You said jalapenos. Those aren't jalapenos.
Oh, excuse me. Green chili peppers. It's jalapenos.
That's not jalapeno.
What is it?
Chilies are different than jalapenos.
Jalapenos are chilies.
Say that? Where in the world does it say that jalapeno and green chili peppers are the same thing?
I don't know, but that looks like
Chilies.
Oh my gosh. So I got 1, 2, 3, kind of 4. 'Cause
That's
like
no, it's.
I kind of got beets.
She said it was asparagus.
But I said beets right when I tried it.
But I said, "What's your final answer?" And you said asparagus.
I got it right. What do you guys think? I got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
I got this right.
No.
I got it right.
Okay, fine. Let them decide. Does this mean that it's a jalapeno?
It could be a
Somebody
jalapeno.
make sense of it, please.
I think I got 5 out of 5.
Except that you guessed wrong.
Hey.
Okay, clean it up.
Oh my god. I got it right. 5 out of 5. What's next? Can she beat me the next round? She kind of beat me her first time. I got 50%. So it was like a tie. But I think I won this one.
You think you win every one?
Just because I'm positive. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me, Mayday in the Kitchen, on Blind Taste Test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye! I won.